Again, thanks to you. Oh my god. Hey guys, it's Jeorgie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's videos, I'm going to play a Subway Surfers. I just downloaded it guys and we start playing. So as you all know, I'm not confidently good at playing video games, but I will try my best playing Subway Surfers. And yes, so let's start. So guys, nag-start na siyang mag-screen record, so we're going to play. Medyo easy pa lang siya kasi kaka-download ko pa lang, but alam ko na ito kung paano laruin. And I try my best not to die. Yes, jump, jump, jump. So double tap or hoverboard, but I know it's just for when you suck and then you will be yes, let's go J. I don't want to use the hoverboard guys. Oh, I waste the coins. Yes, okay. I try my best not to die, okay? Yes, yes. Oh my god, roll, roll, roll. Let me check the mission, guys. So, pick up 2 power-ups and pick up 100 coins. Easy. Did I pick the, yet? Yes, pick coins, pick 100 coins, and then jump, and then roll, roll, and like that, roll. Wala. And jump again, then pick coins. Oh, there's a power up, guys. Whee! Okay, I'm done with the mission for the mission number 1. So, again, I'll try my best not to die. And roll again. And then, what's the next mission? Let me see. Pick up 100 coins in 1 run. Jump 20 times. Pick up 2 sneakers. So, jump 20 times, guys. Jump 20. Oops, oops. Okay. Let's just be easy. Don't pressure me, guys. Yes. Jump, jump, and then pick up 100 coins. Jump, 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 jump. Okay, letter P. Okay. I'm done with the first mission. So, the next mission is I'm going to jump 20 times. Okay, done again. So the next is pick up 2 sneakers, guys. See, it's easy, like heaven. Yeah. So there's A, and then roll it, pick up the coins. Yes, I'm expert at playing like this, guys, like tempo run, and then grandma run. As you all know, guys, it's fun to play video games like this because it's relieving your stress. And I'm a big fan of playing, guys, Crossfire. I'm a big fan of playing Crossfire, guys. And yes, I experienced having a VIP and it's really fun. Oh my god, slugging, guys. Wait. So yes, I'm in 3 minutes, guys, and I'm still not dying. So yay, yay, yay. Okay. Oh my god, it's so fast. It's fasting, guys. It's getting faster and faster and faster. I'm seriously nervous, but then I don't want to pressure myself. I'm just doing my best in here. And then pick up the coins. Then roll. Yes. Okay. And then jump, jump, pick up the coins, and then oh my god. I'm seriously nervous, guys. As you can see, I'm seriously nervous. My nervous system is dying. Oh my god, oh my god. Let me see the third mission, guys. Wait. Pick up 100. Ito. We have 2 sneakers. Okay, I'm not done in yet. So yes, 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 guys, yes, yes. Okay, there's some sneakers. Okay, I'm done. Okay, let me see the next set of mission. Wait lang. Score 10,000 points. Roll 30 times. Spend 500 coins. So yung spend 500 coins later. So I will roll 30 times. Okay, I'm nervous. I'm seriously nervous, guys. Like, okay, okay, okay. It's okay. You're good, Jeorgie. You're good. Roll, roll. Okay, roll, roll, and then jump. Take it easy, Jeorgie. Take it easy. Okay. Yes, yes. Roll lang, roll. As you can see, guys, it's already night in here. Yes, yes. Roll. Take it easy. Focus. Okay, pick up the magnet so you can get a lot of coins. Yes. I'm in here. 10,000 points. I'm in 50,000. And I already got a 900 pesos of coins. Okay, there's a key, guys. There's a key for life. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I'm pretty nervous. My heart starts. Okay, there's a jetpack. Yes. At least sir leaving. Okay. Let's just be focused, guys. I'm in for 6 minutes. And yes. I died. Okay. So my goal is to beat this 26,307 high score, guys. Okay. So I died. Slugging. Okay. I got 1,000 coins. So let's play again, guys, and I will try to beat my own high score. Okay, I'm going to do my best in here, okay? So yes, let's play. What's the mission? Roll 30 times. I already completed pala. So 10,000 points and spend 500 coins, okay? Yes. Okay, umulit ako, guys. So I will try again to beat my own high score. So let's see the mission. 500 coins. I will try to spend 500 coins, but I will quit in this game. I don't want to quit on this game. I will try to beat my own high score. Okay. Let's just play and play, and then jump, and then jump, and then roll, guys. Why am I nervous? Just starting. Okay. So I got a scooter and then magnet. Pick up the coins faster so that I can buy what I want. And I got a mystery box. Yes, yes, yes. It's okay. I'm pretty nervous because I will try to beat my own high score, which is, it's easy, you know, but you know, it's my first time videoing myself playing like this. Okay. Yeah, and pick up the coins and then jump. What is name of the player? It's name Jack. I don't know. Yeah, pick up the coins. And yes, we're on at 7,000, guys, and I will try to beat my own high score, which is 26,000. Scooter again, and then oh my god, roll, then jump, and then roll, and then roll. I roll. Oh my god, I'm pretty nervous. Okay, don't be nervous, Jeorgie. Don't be nervous. Just focus. Okay. Yes. Pick up the coins and then avoid the train. Okay, pick up the coins, then jump. Okay, jump. I can do this. It's challenge, guys. Okay, it's challenge. Yes. Oh, yes, 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 yes. It's pretty easy. Oh my god, why am I? Okay, there's a jetpack, alright. So yes. Yes, pick up the coins. Yes. Whew. So I tried to play for at least... Oh my god. I don't want to die, guys. I don't want to die. I will try myself to play 10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes. And I got a magnet, guys. Okay. Pick up the coins. And then avoid the truck. Avoid the train, I mean. Then get the 2 times. Oh my god. See, I'm very good at playing it, guys. I'm very good at playing it. So, I don't want to pressure myself. Okay, there's a jetpack again. Let's pick up. So, I'm safe. Yes. Oh, yes. Okay, there's a lot of coins. I wish it is real. So, yes. Then, jump. Oh my god, there's a boot. There's a boot, guys. There's a boot. Okay, and then, oh my god. It's relief. Thanks for the boost, guys. Thanks for the boots. Okay. I'm already here for 5 minutes. So, 3,000 left and I will beat my own high score. It's going faster, guys. It's going faster. There's a jetpack again, thanks to you. Okay. Yes. Pick up the coins. I hope it's real. Pick up the coins, guys. Pick up the coins. Okay. Get back to work. Pick up the coins. Avoid the train. Get all the power-ups. Okay, I'm pretty nervous now, guys. I'm pretty nervous. Because it's not easy, I know, but... I mean, it's easy. Yes, it's easy. I'm just, I'm just trying my best in here not to die because it's so easy, guys. It's so easy. So, yes, there's a key, guys. There's a key. Okay, it's good, Jeorgie. It's good. I died. Let's get the... All guys, for today's vlog, as you can see, I'm really sucked at playing Subway Surfers. But then I used to play Subway Surfers when I was a kid. I don't know what's happening on myself. Okay, so I'm pretty nervous playing in front of you guys. So I hope you guys like this video and thank you very much for watching. And yes, see you for the next vlog. Bye bye. Please subscribe.